Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out this one family-owned, 66,000 original mile Camaro Rally Sport.
$68,000.
$68,000. We can't leave them run too long in here because we're inside today, but great sounding car, and just I think probably one of the cleanest examples of one of these RSs around.
It is. I mean, you can tell it's got a little patina to it. You know, I don't know if it's ever been painted. I really don't.
I don't think so, because these decals look original. If that's original paint, it's very impressive, because it's got a great shine.
We can't guarantee it, though. It's so hard to find out. That's one thing, but I can tell you that I'm pretty sure it's all original interior. And the interior is excellent. Has had a different intake put on it, okay? Different intake and carburetor.
And this is the VIN numbers matching motor and transmission.
Okay. Air conditioning, we went ahead and put a brand new compressor on it. When these cars come in and they're complete with air, we spend the money it takes on most all cases to get that AC blown cold. We know how our customers, want AC. Most of these go down south, and air conditioning is very important on them. So power steering, brakes, working air, and this car runs and drives great.
It does. And just the coolest thing, we'll get to the interior in a minute, but I love the interior on this, and I love the Rally Sport paint scheme is very cool.
We've got a lot of comments and a lot of people interested in this one, just waiting for this video, Dalton.
Front bumpers in good shape. We just brought it in from, up showroom to showroom, so that cold.
But these are those, I think they're the aluminum bumpers. I'm pretty sure 1975 was that odd year, 74 and 5 with those. So you're gonna have a little tarnish on that, but we did buff it out, and the paint has a great shine, but you're gonna have a little chips and stuff like that here.
A couple very small ones there, but yeah, you can see the reflection,
I'll let you do this one, Dalton, but look at the fit and finish on that hood, front and back, side to side.
Well, it's just what you'd expect from that, 68,000 original miles?
Yep.
One family owned. How hard is that to find? But this car is just really, really crisp. Front disc brakes, correct rally wheels, BFG raised wet letter tires. Hood fits excellent. Door fits great.
Wait till you get to the back here and check that rear spoiler out. I don't know if I've seen a Camaro that really has a rear spoiler that fits that tight and nice.
The car almost doesn't look like it was ever taken apart. I mean, these I think are the original pinstripes, because you can just see the little fade there.
Lined up so nice.
I'd be surprised if this car's never been repainted.
Yeah, I just hate saying that.
I know.
You know what I mean?
But it's just
kind of feels like the original rubber. It's nice and pliable still. But look at the interior. I love the different cloth inserts here in the interior.
Stock and
kind of check this out for you.
Looks to me like 100% original interior.
I think it is, but it's just immaculate. It's almost hard to believe it's so freaking nice.
I know, but 68,000 just well kept. The same family. It's very nice. It's interior wise, it's like getting in a brand new
75 Camaro, isn't it?
Yeah. One thing I see that they have changed is they upgraded the radio. Still looks like the factory one.
It looks like they changed the console lid, Dalton. It probably had a crack in it, and they just bought a new one and didn't get it re-dyed.
Yeah.
Or decided to leave it black like the shifter knob, which doesn't look bad, but you could get it dyed if you wanted to.
Probably noticed. Package tray looks great.
Look at that. Has that been replaced, or you think that's stock?
I don't know.
That almost might look like it was replaced, the package tray.
It's cool.
Looks like that was upgraded.
But even here, it seems like on a lot of these second gens, there's always a crack here. Nothing on this one. I mean, just very nice.
Before I pop this trunk, look how nice the spoiler fits from top to bottom, side to side, and how that trunk lid fits. And the original decals all the way across. And they're just faded just enough to look like they're original.
Yeah.
Car came out, sold brand new out of Alabama.
Nice.
Gene Crump.
Gene Crump.
Dealership. Look at that.
Check the undercarriage pictures on this car too. Very, very impressive and solid underneath.
Comes with a car cover. You got a BFG radial spare, jack. Look at the trunk.
It's excellent.
It's gorgeous.
It's a very, trunk's back
under here. Original paint. You can seam seal here. See it?
Yep. It's nice.
As far as down low, as you're going through there, I see a couple paint chips here in the black, but I don't see any bubbles, blisters, no issues whatsoever. A couple of little chips here, right along the door edge. But you can even, as you look into that paint, you see how you see it. It looks like original paint, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yep, sure does. We did not buff the white, we buffed the black. Because the white looked good, we left it alone. But look at the corner of the doors, rust-free. Perfect fit and finish on the front.
Little paint imperfection right there, a little small little paint crack or scratch.
Corner of the door is your original stickers. Does that look like that was taped off, that sticker?
Looks like it's just wore off a little bit.
This one. That looks original, don't it?
Yeah.
There again, that's the original rubber shell, feel it?
Yeah. This thing's very, very cool.
Yeah, what a nice car. What I like about it, factory tack, gauges, all that stuff works.
And even we'll get into it when we drive it, but even that little shift indicator moves and works properly.
All the dash lights work all the way across.
Horn, I think the relay works. It just needs a new horn on it. It's just quiet. Cool car. We're going to take her for a spin.
Isn't this a nice one?
It is.
Dome light works great. Headliner is just beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Also, when we had it inside, Dalton, they turned the lights on. All the dash lights. You won't see it now, but all the dash lights work perfect. Heater works good. Like I said, the compressor on the air conditioning is brand new, so that worked perfect as well. Horn is the only thing I'm seeing right now in the clock that's not working.
And I think the horn, it sounds to me like the relay and everything clicks. It just
you could hear it clicking?
Yeah, it just needs a
new horn?
Yeah.
Horn lost its juice.
You lost its juice.
As far as, like you said, the park indicator works great. Put her down and drive. It's lined up nice. 68,707 miles.
And the quality of just all the little plastic in here is just outstanding.
It's gorgeous. If you want a 75 Camaro or you had one, look at the paint up here, Dalton. It's immaculate.
Yeah, you're gonna have a really hard time finding one any better than this.
The only way it could be better is if you repainted it, but I'd never touch this paint. It looks great still.
No. It is cold out today, guys, so
it's doing fine though.
Yeah, it is running great, but it seems like
50 mile an hour.
Especially at 0-degree weather, sometimes these carburetors don't like to run great, but this one's
our idle's only at 500 dollars, so
it didn't even kill there though. But it's cold, guys. But we know we have a lot of people interested in this one and wanting to see the video. So
how about the power steering? Just one finger. I'll turn the heater down because it's so quiet in here, isn't it?
It is.
Let's go through the gears once so we can hear the tranny shift.
Downshift's nice there too. Nice shift.
Yeah, it's got a nice tranny. Look at this. What a car.
It's awesome, man. It just drives like...
Transmission's crisp. Boom, boom, boom.
Time machine.
There's 85 mile an hour. 85 mile an hour. High-speed braking.
Brakes are excellent. It's a great car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.
Sorry, boys.
I know we kind of turned right in their way there. We'll get one more takeoff with you, old girl, and we'll close this video out. Man, I like this.
That's just
car
putting
a lot.
right in drive, man. 35, 4,000 RPM shift. It's the tightest car on the lot right now.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
It's special.
It's awesome. There's 80 right there, and there's not an ounce of wind noise.
Nice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.